we are rebuilding a 91 Aprilia Climber 240. In part 2 you will see us refurbishing all of the parts for the bike, cleaning, painting, replacing the parts, doing all the jobs that need to be done. This is an Aprilia Climber with a twist. Right, so we're stuck now. I've stripped all the forks and everything. I need to get a socket for that because I haven't got a socket that'll fit that to get the clutch off. So I need to get the clutch off, get the intake off so I can get to the seals, the crank seals, to replace them. So I need to order them and get them. I've stripped the forks. I also need a tool to remove the seals from the forks. Need a seal puller. So I am stuck now. It's going to take me a few weeks to get these bits that I need, so I thought I'm going to wrap the video up here. I know I said I was going to do it over 3 episodes and all that, but some content is better than no content at all, so I'm going to wrap the video up here, order these bits that I need. Thank you very much for watching the Aprilia build, and I will see you on the next episode where we should be able to finish off these bits and start putting the bike back together. Cheers guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.